Medyo full mo, no? Picture mo ay full mo, no? Ganda, oh.
Ayun pala yung...
Okay, 10 kilometers, teacher, oh. Unang 10 namin ngayong March. Alam mo, sir? Bogs. Bogs, ayun. Plan nga pala tayo. Oh, kay Congressman.
Yeah.
Okay, barefoot running day 451 with Teacher Moni. Teacher. Uy. Alright. Kainitan to, kainitan. Okay, 1 kilometer. Teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Colors per natin ay 90 kilocalories per. Alright. Okay, 2 kilometers. Pace natin ay 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Colors per natin ay 179 kilocalories per. Alright. Hit training. Okay, 3 kilometers. Teacher. Pace natin ay 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 150 kilocalories per. Alright. 10 daw kami ngayon. 10 ba tayo, teacher? Sana kayanin ko. Malakas na to si teacher. Uy. 16 daw, 16. Sana wag sumumpong yung ano ko. Injury. Alright. Okay. 4 kilometers, teacher. Pace natin 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Ang calories burn natin 344 kilocalories burn. Alright, last 6. Last 6. Okay. 5 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 432 kilocalories burn. Alright, hanapin natin si Master. Okay, 6 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 521 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 7 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 1 second. So, bumagal. Ang calories burn natin ay 621 kilocalories per. Alright, last 3. Bibilisan daw namin ng konti. Sabi ni Mama. Okay, shoutout ulit kay Congressman. Oh, pang day, ano mo ba yan?
Day by day.
Day by day. Alright. Every day. Okay, 8 kilometers, teacher. Oh, with Congressman. Alright. Ang pace namin ay 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Ang calories burn natin 690 kilocalories burn. Kailangan papaluin natin ng 5 yung last 2. Para okay, 9 kilometers, teacher. Woo!
90 kilometers tayo.
Sir! Shoutout kay sir.
Yo.
Pangalan mo, sir?
Bogs.
Bogs, ayun. Plan nga pala tayo. Oh, kay Congressman.
Yeah.
Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Ang calories burn natin 700 kilocalories burn. Teacher, bisa natin last para split.
Mga 10 lang ba kayo?
Okay, 10 kilometers, teacher. Oh. Unang 10 namin ngayong March. Ang pace natin huli is 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Overall pace natin is 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Ang oras natin is 1 hour and 9. Oh, congrats, teacher. Iba ka. Ang calories burn natin ay 862 kilocalories burn. Oh, may kasabihan ka ba ngayon, ma'am?
Ay,
May ubo pa rin ako.
napusok sa tubig.
Medyo full mo, no? Picture mo ay full mo, no? Ganda, oh.
Ayun pala yung...
Speaker ka ata, diba?
Yeah.
Ayun.
Kinausap ko, arte ang ulit yung mga principal eh. Baka pwede, bala lang.